Now, how am I going to get support for funding my research on such an impactful subject? This can lead to many new discoveries within the medical field. But what if this information falls into the wrong hands? What if they're selfish and only want it for the money? What if they manipulate me not to expose the truth? I need to be confident that I can trust who is funding my research in order for this to be successful.
The private sector's position within the scientific enterprise is to endorse and take liability for the way the research concludes in performance and efficiency. Therefore, our position is, yes, we do believe that the funding for research should be left to the private sector, due to numerous situations and conflicts that may occur or get out of hand if the funding is not left to the private sector. However, critics may say that research should have the convenience to be funded publicly to gain more financial opportunities. Some might say, well, the money does attract high-class professionals into part-taking groundbreaking studies. Money does wonders, including attracting big names and highly intelligent individuals. With that being said, it's as if numerous groundbreaking studies are on the horizon with such an opportunity. But at what cost? It is nice that others may want to contribute their money in assisting financial needs for scientific research. But the public also means the government and other political representatives. With that in mind, it is possible that if the government or others were to fund crucial research that the public needs, they can influence the researchers to steer science in a politically suggested way or conceal some data that might not satisfy the patron. For this reason, we can argue that the public has the right to be informed about research that is being done and its authentic results. It is essential that others are aware of what is being researched and continue to be educated on modern discoveries, studies, and others that are being done. Additionally, another reason why choosing to be funded by the private sector is more efficient because of time. There are quicker results with more fundings for expensive necessities that may be essential for research. First, we must speak of the triple helix, which involves industry and government. Several combinations of teaming up patterns have been exercised and show poor results whenever public fundings become more involved. Within industries, companies are awfully influenced by money. Once you've involved your research under their money, they'll take control and not allow for important information to seek out without an exchange of finances or money. The government's fundings have shown and proven to have negative results when it becomes involved. Sometimes, even with the best researchers within the field, have failed to accomplish those groundbreaking experiments. For instance, when Samuel Langley, who was already an accomplished inventor, was given federal funds for 2 trial flights, but was unsuccessful. On the other hand, the Wright brothers were able to successfully design and create the first powered, sustained, and controlled airplane flight, with the spending of their own money made up of $2,000. This goes to show people are more observant in what they do when it comes to their own money being spent rather than someone else's. In the analysis of observing past precedents, we can conclude that leaving funding to the private sector is the best choice for honest research. As STEM majors, we have learned that it is important to acknowledge who provides funds for life-changing research and who it is left to. We believe it is ethical to truly distribute any new knowledge to the public, as it exposes modernized research data and methods. Additionally, whoever is performing the research can work more cautiously and productively by being confident that they have provided funds for a private sector.